final stage involves meticulous chasing. Here, the artisan uses a fine punch and hammer to redefine the
The tamper-evident seal is cut and peeled back. This raw gold brick is then precisely weighed.
Using a jeweler's saw, the technician carefully removes a sample for the upcoming fire assay testing.
The spectrometer confirms an exceptional 99.99% gold purity for the FIFA World Cup 2026 trophy batch.
With the silver measured, we now add the copper, ensuring the precise weight for the WC 2026 trophy alloy.
The first of the verified gold bricks is carefully lowered into the 18K alloy furnace, ready for the precise casting process to begin. The process begins by carefully lowering the first of several high-purity gold bricks into the induction crucible. Here we add the measured silver and copper granules to the gold bricks, creating the precise 18-karat alloy for the trophy.
To precisely cast the $20 million icon, the induction furnace is loaded with exact measurements of gold, silver, and copper.
The precise casting process begins as the gold, silver, and copper reach melting temperature inside the induction furnace.
Inside the $20 million gold icon.
A thin, dark layer of slag and oxides floats atop the glowing 18K gold destined for the FIFA.
The induction furnace tilts, releasing a brilliant stream of molten 18K gold. This precise
temperature check complete. It's ready for release.
Here we see the precise moment the 18K gold is stamped, a critical step for the official 2026 trophy batch.
The casting process begins as the precisely stamped gold arrives at the pattern and mold workshop.
Inside the $20 million gold icon, how the FIFA World Cup 2026 trophy is precisely cast, full process.
Cross-section reveals the intricate internal structure. We use these colored thickness maps to verify uniform wall thickness around the base before the final pour. The master pattern printer is now active. The build platform descends into the resin vat, beginning the precise casting of the 2026 trophy.
The process begins with high-precision resin 3D printing, creating the master pattern layer by layer.
After precisely marking the cut lines and registration keys, the two parts of the RTV silicone are prepared for the pour.
The silicone is weighed precisely, following the 10:1 ratio, before being thoroughly mixed with a spatula.
To ensure a flawless mold, the silicone is degassed in the vacuum chamber. The pump removes trapped air, causing it to
With the mold fully cured, the frame comes away, revealing the resin master. Now, the delicate process of cutting the silicone begins.
Inside the $20 million gold icon, how the FIFA World Cup 2026 trophy is precisely cast. Full process. Inside the gold icon, the first step is critical. The wax is precisely cast, ensuring every detail of the trophy is captured.
After the injection cycle, the silicone mold is carefully opened to reveal the precise wax replica attached to the sprue.
The wax assembly is carefully lowered into the secondary slurry. This thicker coat ensures the strength and integrity of the final mold.
The secondary coat requires a vigorous shower of coarse refractory sand to build a strong outer shell.
The $20 million icon begins its journey in the dewaxing autoclave, a precise step in creating the 2026 trophy.
The high-pressure steam drives out the last of the wax, leaving behind these intricate ceramic shells, the negative space of the future trophy.
The precise casting process begins as the red-hot ceramic shell, glowing at its peak temperature, ignites. The ceramic shell, still glowing from the burnout oven, is carefully positioned in the sand bed. This ensures
the final bars are loaded into the crucible. To cast the $20 million gold icon, precision is key.
The 18K gold bars begin to slump and fuse, turning a bright orange as they partially liquefy. Soon,
inside the furnace is $20 million worth of 18-karat molten gold. The alignment must be perfect before the pour begins. As the furnace tilts, the brilliant 18-karat gold spills into the pouring cup, rushing through the internal channels to form the trophy cavities.
The brilliant stream of molten 18-karat gold flows into the ceramic shell, precisely casting the $20 million icon.
As the molten surface cools, the liquid gold is drawn precisely into the detailed cavities of the World Cup trophy mold.
Once the casting has cooled sufficiently in the sand bed, the team uses an infrared thermometer to ensure a safe handling temperature before the knockout. The first step is to carefully remove the sprue from the rough casting using a precision saw, ensuring the base is nearly flat for the next stave. Following the stress relief soak, the iconic casting is carefully removed and placed onto the air cooling rack to settle before the next stage of finishing. Mortar. The cooled casting is placed into the alignment jig. This fixture ensures the column and globe are perfectly centered.
To achieve the iconic shape, the seams along the figures must be precisely dressed, smoothing the rough casting for the next phase.
The casting process leaves faint seam lines, which must be meticulously marked for the next stage of chasing.
The final stage involves meticulous chasing. Here, the artisan uses a fine punch and hammer to redefine the
To ensure perfection, the finishing bench worker meticulously files the laser repair until the weld pad is completely flush with the iconic curve.
Inside the 20M gold icon, how the FIFA World Cup 2026 trophy is precisely cast.
The final stage involves meticulous hand buffing. Using a specialized microfiber cloth, the craftsman ensures a flawless
A thick circular blank is cut from the 18K gold bar. This piece will form the trophy's base ring before moving to the CNC lathe.
Inside the $20 million gold icon, we see the precise casting of the 2026 trophy. The CNC machine begins shaping the base ring.
To verify the casting's integrity, the CMM precisely measures the contours, comparing the physical trophy against the CAD file.
Inside the $20 million gold icon, how the FIFA World Cup 2026 trophy is precisely cast. This precise casting requires rigorous quality control. Here, the micro-hardness of the 18-karat gold
stability, pass.
Here we see the final stage of polishing. Using a micro tool, the technician removes the last imperfection.
Once cooled, the $20 million icon is carefully placed in its transport case and covered with a protective microfiber cloth.
Ensuring the $20 million gold icon is secure for transit is the final step before the application of tracking sensors.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for more updates.